What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at One UI 7 for Exynos 9810 devices. So this includes Galaxy S9 Plus, S9 and the Note 9. And originally this port is made for the Galaxy S9 and the Note 9 devices, but you can also make it work on the S9 Plus with even more bugs. On those devices and this device, it's not made for daily use. Pretty much nothing just works. This is just a demo of how One UI 7 runs on a almost 7-year-old device. So compared to the previous version, which majority of the channels have covered, like BBomb or even my personal account, I've shared a quick look. Brightness works, which is a new addition, but besides that, a lot of things have been broken, such as the speakers, the front one doesn't work, camera barely works, Bluetooth is completely broken, Wi-Fi works, 5 GHz 2.4, both of them, haptics work, also the network is broken. So besides the software actually booting up, there is just nothing to be excited about. So taking a look at the UI, it's extremely snappy. I'm quite surprised how One UI 7 actually works on this device. It's extremely fluid. Again, you can see the Vulkan API helping in rendering the UI. All the apps open quite fast, as you can see. Quite nice. I've logged in my Samsung account, so all the Galaxy AI server related features just work fine, even the Samsung account. Here is how the recent apps panel looks like. Here's the quick setting panel. Again, extremely fluid. Just look at those animations. Here is the notification panel. And as this is a Galaxy S25 Ultra port, you even have its features such as the Now Brief. Just tap on it. I have never used this, so let's just try it. Start Now Brief, allow its permissions. It's just a glorified reminder, there's nothing much to it. So let's add a widget on the home screen. And that's basically it. If you go to lock screen, we should now have the Now bar completely working with the Now Brief. Coming on to other stuff on the home screen, you have weather widget right over here. I haven't updated this one to the One UI 8. If you want that, please refer to my previous video. The ROM is very devoluted. I've actually downloaded few of the apps like the clock, calculator, music, internet. It comes with nothing, just the Galaxy Store and the Play Store for you to download all the apps, because One UI 7 itself is very big. You actually need to repart your device to like 7 or 13 GBs of system partition in order to just install the OS. So hopping onto the settings, if you just come to Galaxy AI, you have all the server-sided features working quite fine. So if you just go to your Edge panel, go to AI select, it takes a bit of a second but works fine. Just like that. Let's just do a generative edit. By going to sketch to image, I just draw something. Excuse my cat. Oh wow, it just generated one face, not the whole cat. But it knew it's a cat, so that's a +1. Hopping onto the settings again, if you just go down, Bixby routines work fine, sounds and vibration, haptics work fine, sound doesn't. Nothing pretty much new to see right over here. And this is quite an older build, not the April update of the S25 Ultra, so you don't have the fluid animation or a few of the newer features that are now coming with the official One UI 7 rollout. Scrolling down, battery, wallpaper are still same. We'll take a look at the Galaxy S25's wallpaper quickly. As you can see, there are no live wallpapers, they have been debloated. But you can create new ones with the AI, and this is the stock static one. Going back, lock screen always on display is completely broken. Home screen, just nothing new. Security and privacy, again biometrics and stuff is broken. Iris will just never work. Scrolling down, advanced features, you do have S Pen features right over here, but again nothing will work because you don't have any support for it. Digital well-being and smart manager. Now this is quite a different one. I have never seen smart manager because I have just never explored a Chinese build of One UI 7. So instead of device care, you have the normal features and utilities like any other Chinese OS like Xiaomi's HyperOS or Vivo FunTouch. So scrolling down, you have battery and all the normal settings that you get in the device care. Nothing new right over here. If you keep on scrolling down, there should be more stuff like maintenance mode and everything, but I can't find it. It should be having. Let's just go to the utilities. There you go. App management more. It's just separated UI, but functionality wise, you don't miss out on anything in the device care. Going down, apps, general, just normal stuff. So about phone section, software information, as you can see, Android version 15, which is just crazy that this phone actually launched on Android Oreo, One UI version 7. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. This was the quick look of One UI 7 from Galaxy S25 Ultra for your Exynos 9810 devices. I hope you guys like it. If you want me to keep on updating this, please let me know in the comment section below, but don't expect a proper working build unless someone makes a direct port from Exynos versions of the Galaxy S21 or the S22. See you guys in the next one.